Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here. It's Tuesday, October 3rd, 2023. It's the day we've been waiting for. The jury selection in U.S. versus Bankman-Fried. Bankman-Fried, presumably already here from the MDC Brooklyn. He'll be sitting at the table as the jurors are selected, and we will be live tweeting it in great detail because a lot will ride on the jury. Sam Bankman-Fried, it seems like a pretty strong case. Seems like a pretty strong case when the money goes rolling and the whole thing collapsed overnight. And you were the boss, and somehow the money went from FTX to Alameda. But you never know. It takes one juror, $1 in a dream. Meanwhile, just down the block here, this is why there's so many police barricades. Yesterday, we covered some of the Letitia James versus Donald Trump trial, and that's going to go on. We're going to try to juggle the two, but watch SBF. We're all over this one. We wrote a book. It's called Crypto Creeps. You can find it. And even at 2 in the morning, yes, at 2 in the morning, Sam Bankman-Fried's legal team put in a letter, in this case saying that no witnesses should be allowed of customers saying how they expected their money to be used, that this is a jury question. I don't think that's going to fly. There's also the issue of the Ukrainian victim of FTX that the prosecution wants to be able to testify remotely. Bankman-Fried opposes it, saying he has a right to confront. Also that there's no extradition treaty with Ukraine, which is interesting given the amount. I just thought it's an interesting fact, so we reported it. In any event, we're all over this. We cover the UN as well, where the failure on Ukraine is striking, and the degree of censorship also striking. There's a Celsius, I could say more about the UN, but you could just look it up. It's a total joke and a travesty of a location, taking tax money, solving no problems, banning the press. However, Celsius, Mr. Alex Mashinsky, does have a hearing today. It's unfortunate. The things are just piling up, one on top of the other, but we should be able to jump from jury selection. Don't want to miss that selection of the juror who might be Sam's secret hope. But we'll do our best. InnerCityPress.com. Watch this feed.